Danang 101's 5 things to do this week in Danang City, kicking off with the Bung Summerfest. Join Badaboom, Project Q, and Danang 101 on the 30th and 31st of July as they reopen the doors of the Plush Beach for a memorable weekend jam-packed with good music, quality food and drinks, immersive art installations in the most epic setting, topped up by high-class sound system and decor. It's the Bung Summerfest this Saturday and Sunday. Hey, what's up? It's the Nang SUP Club. What's better way to start your day than with fitness and a beautiful sunrise? Join Nang SUP Club, S.U.P, every morning at 5 a.m. Stand Up Paddleboard is what that means. It's a great fitness and lifestyle in the Danang City and a unique way to experience and explore the beaches and coves of Santra. Speaking of standing up, it's Stand Up Summer at the workshop. The city's alive again. People are smiling. The tourists are arriving and the expats are still moaning. So it's time to take the piss out of all of them and get some Canadians back on the stage at the workshop. This month's show will be bringing special guest comedian from 7 Million Bikes. Come check out Stand Up Summer at the workshop this Friday, July 29th. Muy Dem Latino, a Latino Night, Saturday night, July 30th, the legendary Latino Night, a tapas and wine tasting event hosted by My Casa Restaurant in Danang. This interesting gastronomic evening will take you through a great selection of tapas, paella, 5 wines, and over 2 hours of tastings. And immerse yourself into the catchy rhythms of Latino music, salsa, bachata, and kizomba, all that. From 9 p.m. till late. So 9 p.m. till late. Muy Dem Latino, Saturday, July 30th at My Casa. And finally, intensive therapy. This is donation-based intensive massage sessions aimed to help you with the common conditions such as neck pain, spine problems, headache. You'll receive a 30-minute massage session. This program is by donation only at Section 30, Wednesday, 7 to 9 p.m.